today we're letting the good times roll at the GDCU roller skate rink in Greenport. So let's go check it out. The George D. Costello Sr. Memorial Rink is located right in the heart of Greenport Village, and it's run by the Greenport American Legion year-round. These are so cute! This building has been a roller rink since 1938, hosting memories for generations of people all across Long Island's North Fork. The rink is dedicated to George D. Costello Sr., whose mission was to restore the rink after the damages from Hurricane Sandy. If you have your own pair of skates, you can bring them over to the pro shop where they offer free adjustments and they sell wheels, bearings, and different accessories. If it's your first time, don't worry because they offer free instruction for all beginners to get everyone rolling. Thank you. Stop by Potter's Cafe for some drinks and a snack to refuel before you go back out. This is such a great spot to host a private party or birthday, and they hold different events throughout the year like skate aerobics, teen night, and on Wednesdays, the lights go down and the DJ comes out for ages 21 and over. Tickets are only sold at the door right here, so make sure you check their website for all of their timely schedules. And for more information on all things Long Island, make sure you check our website, discoverlongisland.com, and follow us on all of our social channels. See you next time! Woo! George D. Costello Sr. Memorial Rink. The George D. Costello Sr. Memorial... Why can't I say memorial? George D. Costello Sr. Memorial Rink. That is a mouthful. It's run by the generations of people. No, hold on, sorry. No. At the door here, so